सर्वेश्वर परमशिव समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidar Kotari, visitors, viewers, sitting with us all over the world. Through Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Enlighten App, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now TV, Twitter, and two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, the first day of the Sharan Navaratri Brahmotsavam, Devi Parashakti is gracing as Sri Rajarajeshwari in Sarvalankara. Let's now first receive our grace and blessings by offering our devotion and arati, then enter into the satsang.
ओम सर्वस्याप्ति सर्वस्यजित्यै सर्वमेव तेनाप्नोति सर्वं जयति सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरि नारायणि नमोस्तुते दृष्टिस्थितिविनाशानां शक्तिभूते सनातनी गुणाश्रये गुणमये नारायणि नमोस्तुते शरणागतदीनार्तपरित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यार्तिहरे देवि नारायणि नमोस्तुते ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति नमः कर्पूरनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि धारयामि बृहत्तामक्षत्र बृहद्दृष्ट्यं दृष्टिभौजश्रुभुतमुग्रवीरवीन्द्र सोमेन मध्यविसंवातेन पञ्चदशेन सगरेण रक्षा धारयामि
With the grace of Parashakti, let's enter into today's satsang. Let's celebrate Parashakti. Understand? The moment you celebrate, you are consciousness. Parashakti just manifests through you. Seeing so many SJPs, Sarvanya Pitas, celebrating Navaratri, I am seeing very clearly the grace of Parashakti on us, on Kailasa, on our Sangha. Last year Navaratri, we had only one Sarvanya Pita. That is Adi Kailasa, Biddi. Now, I just can't, how we multiplied. How many Sarvanya Pitas everywhere happening? And you guys have a lot more good news. By the end of Navaratri, we are going to have at least 4 more Sarvanya Pitas getting added. Properties coming, litigations getting solved, all the auspicious things happening. Understand? Devi's grace, Parashakti's grace. We are just expanding. Beautifully. The Kailasa is happening everywhere. Madurai, Gujarat, Ichapuram. How many have expanded? Tiruvannamalai, Rajapalayam, Kashi, Trinidad. How many are joining and expanding? Understand? Life is all about celebrating because you are consciousness. Listen. Celebrate yourself because you are consciousness. When you celebrate yourself because you are consciousness, you attract too many good things. You attract too many wonderful things. I was explaining about the science of levitation from yesterday. Understand? Each fundamental force has its own Sankhya, rational, logic. Please listen. The word Sankhya, I am roughly translating it into rational, logic, but it is too superficial word. Like if you translate the word Jivan Mukta into enlightened being, how soppa it looks. Same way only, the Sankhya, if you translate that word into rational or logic, it is soppa. But no other word. Maybe I can come up with a new word called multidimensional logic. Sankhya is multidimensional logic. See, each of the fundamental force, like a gravity, has its own Sankhya, its own Vaiseshika, its own Nayayika. The logic with which it exists, logic with which it operates, logic with which it expands. Listen carefully. The multidimensional logic with each force exists, operates, expands is different. Science is still able to grasp only certain dimension of gravity and certain dimension of time, certain dimension of space. I don't think even about space they were able to come to a deeper conclusions. Storage battery for Akasha, space. You may ask, what is the direct use of it? That very mandala, that battery itself can levitate you. I am replicating. Understand? I have already made the first version and it is successful. I'm replicating. I do not want to use the first masterpiece I made. I wanted to successfully replicate. So the replicas can be used for all of you to experience it. I remember very precisely. I started teaching all these power manifestation, the courtyard session, to all the Gurukul Balasans. First, I think some 40 or 50 powers I finished and then reached to this levitation level. That is exactly where the attack by the anti-Hindu forces started. I had to then stall the training and restart. Of course, then whatever has to be done was getting done, and you know what all we went through, and maybe when time comes, I'll write a tell-all book and the story will be told to the world. Now let's understand some of these fundamental principles I am trying to tell you. Understand? Just like gravity is a force, space is existence. Space is not a non-existing entity because you do not know how many ways the space has direct impact on your life. You are not understanding the existence and importance of the space. Even as simple as having haritaki powder and cleaning your stomach and sleeping with the restful awareness can give you the glimpse of what a powerful space inside you can do to your life outside you. Please understand. I am talking from multi-dimensional logic, Sankhya, rational of reality, truths of vertical time zone. Multi-dimensional logic of space. Listen. Having clean stomach and having deep sleep can change the way people around you react towards you. Understand? Because I know the multi-dimensional logic of the space, I am making this statement. If you remove the clutter, chaos, confusion, delusion, the agitation which pushes you to react constantly and even start fighting within you, in your head, if you just clean them up, suddenly you will see the space you are living. You will have a better home, beautiful place. Suddenly, the way people respond to you, the situations you attract in your life, all that becomes different. This 9 days, let us celebrate Parashakti. Let us all work on celebrating ourselves because we are consciousness. Listen, it is too simple. I'll tell you the Sankhya of Parashakti. I don't want to disrespect Parashakti in any way by using the word, the multidimensional logic of Parashakti. I think surely I will not disrespect Devi Parashakti. But for the sake of all of you to understand, I am talking this. Listen to this. Just like gravity has its own logic, consciousness has its own logic. Brahmanda, cosmos, is Pindanda, the body you are carrying. If you decide we all need to know decisions are not a logical thought current. It is Sankhya, multi-dimensional logical force. Sankalpa is not one more thought or idea you have. Listen carefully. Conscious visualization is impacting your inner and outer reality in multi-dimensional way. Conscious visualization is the Sankhya, multi-dimensional logic way. I will repeat, listen. Conscious visualization, Satya Sankalpa, is the way you can impact your inner and outer reality drastically. This powerful cognition is the Sankhya, multi-dimensional logic of consciousness and Parashakti. We all underestimate the power of conscious visualization. Do not underestimate the power of conscious visualization. Because conscious visualization directly impacts the space, Akasa Tattva. Akasha Tattva is powerful enough to manifest what you want in your life. Multi-dimensional functional logic of Akasha Tattva, space principle, the space power. I will reveal it to you now. Listen. What I am revealing now will become reality to all the beings who declare their integrity to me. Listen. If you want, take few seconds and consciously declare your integrity to me. It does not require you to give your money or any precious things you think as your possession. Nothing need to be renounced. Be very clear. I'm putting it very clearly. Now, you declaring your conscious integrity to me does not require anything to be anything which you like or love as your life to be given away. Conscious integrity is the Sankhya multi-dimensional logic, methodology through which you connect your spiritual umbilical cord connection to me. Whoever connects whatever Paramashiva has revealed to me, I can share that to you. You can receive that to you into your system. Hinduism is all about Guru-disciple tradition, Guru-Sishya Sampradaya. All the great things are revealed through the Guru-Sishya Sampradaya to the world. I tell you, whenever you declare your integrity to a Guru, all his realizations and experience, expertise, Satya, Satya, Shaktis become yours. I'll tell you a very simple incident. I heard this conversation between Raghupati Yogi, Kuppammal and Panduranganar. Once the Panduranganar was supposed to go to Kanchipuram to have some clarification about the Shastras from Tondaimandaladinam. That time the Guru Maha Sannidhanam was 230th Guru Maha Sannidhanam. So Raghupati Yogi and Kuppammal advised Panduranganar to have darshan of Kanchi Paramacharya also. That time the Paramacharya, Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Swami, was in the body. So, Kuppammal and Raghupati Yogi, both of them are telling, go and have his darshan. Muruganar said, I don't know whether I'll have time because I have to meet Tondemandala Sannidhanam. So if I have time, I will plan. Then Raghupati Yogi said, no, you have to have his darshan because in many ways his expertise will help you. Then he was sharing an incident when these Swamis gathered to declare me as an incarnation when I was 3. They all had a kind of a gathering and formal way of confirming that I'm an incarnation. Successfully happened. Actually, when an incarnation happens in the body, there is every possibility within 21 months, he may not be able to settle in the body and leave the body. So it takes 21 months for them to confirm that I am grounded in the body. So after the 21 months, they all had a kind of a happy celebration that I am grounded, I am settled, I am going to live. So for that function, they wanted to have the blessings of Paramacharya and Tondemandala Sannidhanam and went. Tondemandala Sannidhanam personally took Raghupati Yogi to Paramacharya and the Paramacharya not only blessed and he also told his assistant to get a bamboo stick and told that assistant to put that bamboo stick in front, and he touched 3 times, told the Tondemandala Sannidhanam and take this and give it to that boy, make him do the Chaturmasya. In Tamil he said, இப்பவே சாத்துர்மாசியம் பண்ண வச்சிருங்கோ, பிறகு சாத்துர்மாசியம் வச்சுதான் வயசை எண்ணுவா. It means actually the age of the sannyasi is calculated only number of the chaturmasya he has done. So whoever has done the largest number of chaturmasya, he is considered to be the greatest sannyasi. So he instructs them, make him do chaturmasya from now itself so that count starts. So my chaturmasya count has started from the time I was 3. Actually, after 21 months, after 2 years only, they did the ceremony. So only from the 3rd year, the Chaturmasya started. That is the stick with which you see my first photograph. My first photograph with a danda, that was given, blessed by Paramacharya and brought by Tondemandala Sannidhanam and given to Raghupati Yogi, and Raghupati Yogi brought, and they all did all the ceremony, whatever needed, and they did, and rest is history. Raghupati Yogi remembered this and told Muruganar, that time he made a statement. பெரியவாளை பார்க்கும் பொழுது அவங்க சேர்த்து வச்ச ஞான சொத்தெல்லாம் யதார்த்தமா நமக்கு கொடுத்துருவா. மீன்ஸ் when you meet great people in a natural way, all the great expertise and knowledge and experience they have will be given to us. I tell you, this is the Sankhya, the multi-dimensional logic of why you need to declare your conscious integrity to Guru. Because when you declare your integrity to Guru, your inner space is consciously aligned to Guru's inner space. Guru's inner space means Kailasa, Mahakasha, Kailasa. This is the photograph. You can see. With that stick. I think the stick was too tall for me to hold and I have some more beautiful feast coming for all you guys in this Navaratri. In Tiruvannamalai, we have reached out to all the photographers of those time. All of them are pulling out their old collections. And every day we are recovering few photographs of me taken by them at various temple rituals, temple functions, and with my gurus. So you guys are going to have a real feast. Lot of things are coming out. Understand? Sankhya, multi-dimensional logic of your inner space, you need to understand. When you declare simple integrity to the Guru, you do not lose anything but you gain everything. I tell you, there is an incident in Ravana's life. Ravana is a Mayajala master. He has mastered the Sankhya of Mayajala. The multidimensional logic of Mayajala. So somebody asks him, why don't you change your form into Rama and go and seduce Sita? He says, fool, you think I have not tried? But the moment I connected with Rama and became Rama, my inner space became like Rama. I am not able to do anything adharmic. Wrong. Understand? Even a great Mayajala master like Ravana, the moment he declares integrity to Rama, his inner space is no more his inner space. Understand? The most important multidimensional logical lesson you need to learn from this story is when you declare your integrity, your inner space is flooded by that being. especially if that being is a higher conscious being. The benefits you will get by declaring your simple integrity. Simple integrity. Why I use the word simple integrity? No, you don't need to give money. You don't need to even do anything special, separate. It is just conscious declaration. I allow Paramashiva, the ultimate power of the cosmos, to manifest in me as he manifested as my Guru. You can coin your own words, I have no problem. You can even say, let Paramashiva manifest as much as he has manifested in my Guru, in me. Or you can say, let only the Paramashiva component of my Guru manifest in me. Because some people doubt, maybe I have little Paramashiva, the Swamiji has little Paramashiva and little his own component. So you can say, I declare my integrity only to the Paramashiva component of Swamiji. I am okay with that also. I don't have a problem because I have nothing else other than Paramashiva component. There is no other component in me other than Paramashiva component. So you can very safely play the game. I declare my integrity only to the Paramashiva component of Swamiji. If there is something other than Paramashiva in Swamiji, I don't want that. I am not declaring my integrity to that. You can put a big disclaimer and declare also. I have no problem. Because I do not have anything else other than Paramashiva component in me. Sankhya of declaring your integrity, multi-dimensional logic of declaring your integrity. I will reveal it to you. See, the conscious decision, conscious declaration gives Paramashiva to enter into you. Your individual identity is borderline by your decision of your idea of freedom. Listen. When your idea of freedom is limited, it is called ignorance. When you are ready consciously to live with your ignorance, it is called delusion. And when you are okay with your delusion and don't care about the reality, it is called arrogance. These three Pura asuras, 3-layer demons, cannot be penetrated unless you give permission. If you consciously declare, I declare my integrity to Paramashiva component in Swamiji, in my Guru. If you declare even that much, that's enough. Then your soul can vibrate in the space of Paramashiva. See, now I have given a very insured declaration. Very secured and insured declaration. You can make a clear disclaimer. I declare my integrity only to Paramashiva component of my Guru Nityananda Paramashivam. And non-Paramashiva component, I am not declaring my integrity. You can clearly make it. I don't have a problem. So you feel very secured and insured. Understand? But this declaring your integrity is too important because this is the Sankhya multidimensional logic of consciousness. Only then consciousness can enter into your being and awaken you. This Navaratri, let us make as many people as possible declare their simple integrity to Paramashiva and celebrate themselves as consciousness. Celebrate themselves because they are consciousness, not because of their money, their power, their positions, their social power, political power, or anything, their beauty, age, health. Celebrating themselves because they are conscious. Just these two. Declaring simple integrity to Paramashiva component of your Guru. When you declare your simple integrity to the Paramashiva component of your Guru and you decide to celebrate yourself because you are consciousness, this too is a, I tell you, most successful recipe for power manifestation. Deadly combination. Nothing can kill you after that. Deadly combination for destroying all the ignorance and powerlessness and impossibility. This too is the most multidimensional logic of multidimensional magic. Sankhya of Parashakti. It may look too simple. I tell you. See, when you eat, decide. Navaratri, I decided this 9 days I will celebrate myself because I am consciousness. So now, as consciousness, I am going to eat. You will see the whole eating experience will be different. As consciousness, I am going to drink water or whatever juice or anything you drink. As consciousness, I am going to sleep. As consciousness, I am going to do my office job. As consciousness, I am going to relate with people. As consciousness, I am going to do all my activities. So much of grounding and qualitative difference in your reality. This whole Navaratri, let us celebrate because we are consciousness. Navaratri is the beautiful celebration. Devi who received Agama, Vishnu who made the Agama as the software for the whole universe. Both of them are celebrated on this auspicious 9 days. Vishnu brings Veda and Agama from the dark energy during the manifestation of the universe in the form of fish, Matsyavatara, and lands it on the planet Earth. That is why the Pandya kingdom, the earliest kingdom, as a fish as their emblem, as fish there as their emblem. From Matsyavatara, they took the emblem of fish. Because the most ancient civilization after the great deluge, Vishnu brings the whole Manu's boat and Veda Agamas, the whole thing, and restarts the civilization. That has happened in Pandya land. That is why the fish is the official government symbol of Pandya kingdom. Matsyavadara happened twice. Once to bring the Vedas and Agamas out from the great deluge and give it to Brahma. That's once. Second time, to pull the boat of the Manu from the great deluge, Pralaya, and restart the civilization. So, when Vishnu restarted the civilization with the Manu's boat, that was Pandya kingdom. That is why the Pandya kingdom has fish as their emblem, official emblem. Karaikal is the place where the boat was brought to the land by the Matsyavatara. From there, the whole Pandya civilization started. Listen, this 9 days Navaratri, let's make as many people as possible declare their simple integrity to Guru and celebrate themselves because they are consciousness. Enrich the whole world through social media in every possible way. Start flyering, inviting people to Nitya Satsang. Bring them to Nitya Satsang, that's enough. I will make them understand. I will give them the Sankhya of Parashakti. Multidimensional logic of Parashakti. Now, just these two. Again, declare your simple integrity to Paramashiva component of Guru. Your Guru, Nityananda Paramashivam, and celebrate yourself because you are consciousness. You will see Parashakti manifest. Let's start. Sit straight, close your eyes, declare your simple integrity and chant the Mahavagya. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. With the grace of Paramashiva and Parashakti, now in all the centers, ashrams, adinams, temples, padaka mandirs, Sarvanyapitas, everywhere, the grace of Parashakti, the grace of Paramashiva and Parashakti will manifest as the power of materialization. Directly, the prasada of Paramashiva, Parashakti, Vibhuti and Kumkum will manifest everywhere. In all the Padakas, Guru Padakas, whether you are Anmartha Puja Padaka or Parartha Puja Padaka, it will start manifesting now with the grace of Paramashiva and Parashakti. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.